If you've ever recorded a video or imported audio into CapCut and noticed that the volume feels too quiet in some parts and too loud in others, then this tutorial is going to help a lot. Today, I'm going to show you how to normalize audio in CapCut so your voice sounds more consistent, more professional, and much easier for your audience to listen to. This is a simple editing step, but it can make a huge difference in the overall quality of your video. And if you want more quick CapCut tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos every week. Let's get into it. First, open CapCut and import your video or audio file into your project. You can usually do this by dragging the file directly into the media area, then placing it onto your timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, click on the audio clip to highlight it. This is important because CapCut needs you to select the specific audio you want to adjust before the settings will appear. After selecting the clip, look for the editing panel, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. In that panel, click on the Basic tab. This is where CapCut keeps the most common audio controls, including the option you need for normalization. Now look for a setting called Normalize Loudness. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, it may be a checkbox or a toggle switch. Turn it on, and CapCut will automatically analyze your audio and adjust the volume to a more balanced level. In most cases, it targets a professional loudness standard of around -23 LUFS, which helps keep your audio consistent and cleaner sounding across your project. This is especially useful if your recording has volume spikes, if your mic level changed during recording, or if you're combining multiple clips from different sources. After enabling normalization, take a moment to listen back to the clip. If needed, you can still make small volume adjustments manually, but for many projects, this one step is enough to improve the sound dramatically. That's why normalization is such a useful tool for creators, editors, and anyone making social media videos, tutorials, interviews, or voiceovers in CapCut. So to quickly recap, import your file, place it on the timeline, select the audio clip, open the Basic tab, and turn on Normalize Loudness. CapCut will do the heavy lifting for you and make your audio sound much more polished. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.